Hi, it's Relatech. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be designing a business card. Okay, so this client sent the information. So look at the information that was sent. Look at the logo that was sent. You can see it's a blurry logo. I've made a video of how you can make this blurry logo to be blurry image to be bright. So I will leave the link in the description. So make sure you watch it and learn how you can make a picture brighter. Okay, so look at, we're going to be designing a business card. All right, the first thing you have to do, if you don't know how to get the size of the business card you're going to be using, since you're using Pixellab, so all you have to do, go to your Google, unless you already know it, but I have done a video of how to get any size, but let me just review it here. So all you have to do, type business card size in pixels. So all you have to do is copy this and go to 1050 by 600 pixels. So let's go to our Pixellab. All right, this is not I did two business card for the person. Let me save this project. He has not given his review. So we are going to be starting afresh. So this is your Pixellab. The first thing you're going to see if you open your Pixellab, right? So let's go to here, image size. So you click on here and remove this. What we have there is 1050. What we have there is 600. So this is the size of what we'll be working with. All right, so let me import the Pixellab. Okay, no, before we do that, let me import something. Let me import the card that I want us to work on. So I want us to work on this one. So this is the card I want us to work on. All right, but before we'll be able to work on this, we need to work on this separately. I did this one separately, so it means I'll have to go back my defaults. I have to go back, then click on the middle one, click on import. So import the 4 pictures, click on import. So I'll be teaching you how you can import more than one picture. So you have to arrange them. Now, if you want to import more than one picture, you click here to the number of times you want to import. Let's say I want to import 3 more pictures that is remaining here. So I'll click 1, 2, 3. So you have to click it immediately. Don't wait just click it continuously that 3 times. So this, we import this first one. If you notice, it brought us back to where we are going to import the second one. It didn't take us back to Pixellab. This is the second one. All right. It seems the mistake I made, I clicked it 2 times. So it's only worked for 2 times here. So remember, you're going to make the pictures to be equally. So we are using this one by one. So you click on here. You can move this thing to where you want to place it and check mark. The same thing, you you click on here, move it to how you want it, you check mark. So the first one I clicked, I didn't do the one by one, so I will go to crop. I want to go back there, go to crop, then check mark it. All right, I have gotten the size, so I'll check mark. So I have to arrange them equally. Okay, it's remaining one picture. Let's go and import it. So click on the one by one, check mark. So I want us to use this. I have to click on one. You have, because you have to make the four of them to have the same size. Okay, so I'll click on one and click on relative size. I want to use 49. Okay, for all of them. So since we have decided to use 49 as the size. So click on each of them and move it to the size 49. The next one, move it to 49. The last one, 49. So arrange it. You arrange. You arrange. So I want to add stroke. So I'm click on. Look at what I'm going to be doing. When you click on one, click on stroke. So for where it is now, I want to make this and this to be white stroke and this to be black. Okay, so I've clicked on white. I want to increase it to 6, or let's say 6. Yeah, so click the other one, click on stroke, enable it, click on the white one and move it to 6. All right, click on the next one, click on stroke, enable it and choose black, move it to 6 2. Then the last one, stroke, enable, choose black, then to 6. So let's arrange it. All right. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to just save your work. Sorry, save your work. All right, so let us just remove everything. Remember the size we got from Pixellab. That's the size for business card. 600, I guess. Yes. So let's get the flyer that we'll be replicating. Let's import. Click on plus from gallery. So I want to get the flyer. Like this is the back. So this is what we want to recreate. Okay, so let me teach you how to pick color. I want the color of this background to be this. So what do? You click on here, Click on here, click on color. This how to pick color from. I already have the color here, but let's pick so that you learn it. Click on the plus sign. This is the color picker. Okay, why this is where you can write the color code. Assuming I have the color code, it's just to click here and write the color code, but I want us to pick color from the business card that I imported. So you search for it, look at it here, so you click on it. All right, so look at our cursor is moving, so I want to pick the color here. Once I've picked it, I will check mark. If I want to also enhance my own more, I can move it here. So this is the color. All right, so the next thing is, let's get our shape. All right, and I also want us to pick color from here. Okay, so let's go ahead and pick color. Remember, this is the background. Where you can pick color is when you click on here, you choose color. But if it is a shape, you have to click on this one to pick color. Okay, if it is a written something, you have to click on A to pick the color. So you have to know the difference between picking color for background, picking color for shape, and picking color for text. Okay, so enable, click on the plus sign, click on color, click on color picker, get your your business card. So I have placed my color picker to where I want to pick. Check mark. All right, okay, so here it is. All right, so let's import the picture that we arranged that time. Let's go ahead and import it. It should be under Pixellab. So here is the picture. So you reduce the size to fit in what you want to do. So I want us to add stroke. The stroke will be the same color that we picked before, which is already here for us. So let's increase our, let's leave it at 8. So still on that shape, let's go to our shadow, enable it, increase the blur radius, click on the plus sign, and reduce the thickness. All right, so we have that done. So let's go ahead and lock it so that it will not distract us. All right, bring this one to front. So let's get out the logo, import. The logo will be under, we have already done this. I'll send the link so that how to enhance the picture. So this is the logo that the person brought. So this we have to just manage it. Okay, have to just manage it like that. The person didn't bring a good logo, so we just have to manage it like that. Okay, check mark. So we reduce. So let's type, click on A, next thing. Next thing, let's change the font. So you choose a good font. I'll be using MTN Brighter Sans Extra Bold. So I have to copy it. Word furnitures. This one I will reduce the size and change the color. I have to increase the color brightness. So let's get a shape. Then I'll increase the radius. All right. So we get our shape. I want to reduce this a bit, or maybe after I'll arrange it well. So let's copy this, get our right up. I've already copied it, so I'm going to be pasting. So I will have to reduce it. Let me arrange it. I'll go to align. I want to center it. So when you come to align, you have left center, you have middle center, you have right center. So let me click on each of them so that you know how it's done. If I click on one, it's already on. It means that all the starting will start from the left. If I click on this, you can see what is happening. It has shifted to the right. If I click on the center one, it comes at the center. Okay, so I'm using my hand to arrange it well. You can use this one to reduce it, but you can also use this one to resize it. I don't know if you understand the difference. Look at this one. Sorry, this one is resizing. All right, while this one is reducing. So can you see the difference? So we check mark, then go to your color. I want to give it a black color. I want only deals on to have that blue color. So what do? You tap on this to, because what I'm doing, I'm tapping on that. So I want to highlight only that deals on. Okay, since that deals on is already in the color I want, I'll highlight the other ones and remove that deals on. Then scroll down to give it the color I want, which is black. You check mark. All right, so for now I'm done with that one. So let's copy this again. Write our phone number. reduce the size. So let's copy, edit, paste our phone number. So I will have to change the color of that phone number to white and reduce the size again. All right, so let's copy that phone number. Let's copy the phone right up and write location. Edit. Okay, let's reduce. Let's position it well. So I'll be teaching you from here. I'll also teach you how to use ruler. Okay, I'll teach you how to use ruler. I want to copy that phone so that I'll have exact size of that text. I want to edit that. So I want to click on that point. All right, so let me take that to a bit front. So I'm trying to position it very well. Okay, now look at what I want to do. Click on this, tap on any of the line. Sorry, first tap on this place so that you can take. I want to arrange this. So I'll come back and tap on that same place again. This thing is okay. Tap on there again. So pick any of these that you want to. I want everything to be on that straight line. Okay, so if you pick any of them, you can now click on your position and see if that was arranged on the straight line and move it to that line. Okay, so let me pick this. All right, so once you are done, you can come over, click here, and everything will remove. All right, so let me move this a bit. So we are done with this one. We have to now do the front on. So we are done with this one. Let me hide this one so that you see what we did. So this is the back end. All right, so I will leave the front end for you to do. It's so simple. All you have, okay, let me just rush and do it. I want to remove, let me hide all these ones apart from the logo. I'm leaving the logo, the nursing, the word furniture. I'm removing this phone number, location. I'm removing all those ones, and I'm removing this also. All right, so this line I'm leaving it, but I'm going to change the position. So I'm increasing this. I'm increasing this, increasing the nursing. I want to center it at the middle. So once I click on that nursing, I go to relative position and click on the middle. It will center it for me. Okay. The same thing, click on click on the middle. It will center it for me. That is the position. That is the work of that relative. It will help you center something at the middle. So since this is an image, you cannot click on A. Okay, so you have to click on the middle one. Still go to relative position and center it. All right. So I'll have to write the name of the bearer. I've forgotten the full name, but I will just write a name. But I know it's Chibeze something. Chibeze Oni. Let me just write Chibeze Oni. All right. Change the font. So change the font. Where's my MTN? Still center it at the middle. All right. So okay, I did one more thing. Let me import a texture. I added the texture to it. Let me add this texture so that the background will not be too plain like that. So what did I do? I want it to be only on the background. So I'll click on here. But if you don't know how to move something to the back, I'll click on here. Hold this place tight and drag it to where you want to place it. Hold this place. Just hold this. Let your hand be there. Drag it. Keep going. Till you get to where you want to place it. I want you to be on the background. Okay, so I'll be placing it anywhere around here. Once I place it there, I'll click on my opacity and reduce the opacity. All right, so in this video, I know you should learn a lot of things: how to use ruler, how to drag, how to apply texture, and others. Okay, so this is the end of this class. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button, because I will be bringing you lots of amazing classes. Okay, thank you for staying with us. See you next time.